Today I'm going to show you how to make a battery using household items. So first let's go over the things that you'll be needing. You'll be needing aluminum foil, paper towel or toilet paper. You'll need water, and I've already added the salt to the water, which you'll just have some salt water. Of course this is sodium chloride in science terms. You also need a multimeter. You can find these at any hardware store. You also need some ties, preferably pink ones. No, really not. And you'll need some lead. Now, I got my lead kind of a cool way, which I'm going to demonstrate. So, first let's get our lead. So I took a lighter, and you pretty much just, you let this go. It'll get on fire here in a second. There we go. The cool part about this is that you really don't have to do much. The fire does everything for you. And then you kind of tilt it up, it'll start to go over the whole pencil. Okay. There, it's going pretty good right there. So you're pretty much going to let the wood burn off. We're doing this in housing, so it doesn't matter if our house burns down. It's not a big deal. Okay, so you can kind of see how it's already starting to separate. You can see the line right here. And it's pretty much separating for itself right here already. Which is pretty cool, I think. Okay, so you pretty much, that's all you really need to do. So, right here.
Yeah, the alarm's gonna go off.
Right here we got our lead. Our pieces of lead. And now, we just have to put it all together. So first, what you want to do is take your piece of paper, put your pieces of lead together however you want. Doesn't matter if they're all together, same size. But what you want to do is make sure you leave a portion on the outside and don't fold over that. So then I'm just going to take this and fold over. Roll it up real well. Now not too tight. You just kind of want to make it loose. You don't really have to make it too tight there. So now you got your lead wrapped in the paper towel. Now you're just going to wrap it in your aluminum foil. Like so. Okay. So, you got it to this point. All you have to do is put some ties around it. Take some ties. Whatever you want to do. I just took two. I probably don't even need that many, but just to make it uniform. Okay. So, now that we have essentially our battery, now you take it, and I had already poured in my salt. I really didn't measure it, I just put in the table salt into the water. And so now I'm just going to drop it in here. Just leave it in there for just for a little bit. It doesn't take long. Okay. All right. So we got our battery out. Just so you can tell, it's still just lead. Oop, came off. Okay, so now we'll test it. See if it's got any voltage. Okay. First, zero out your leads. Now you take your negative, place it on the aluminum. Still, you can see the multimeter is on 0. Then you take your positive, put it on the end of the lead. And you can look at it, we're getting 0.72. Oh. Yeah, almost 1 volts. So just by moving around on the lead, you can tell how it moves here. Yeah, 0.93. So there's our internet battery, wrapped up in a nice little package. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you learned something.